Welcome to all of you in today's session. Today we are going to see Standard 9 subject Maths 1 in that chapter number 2 real numbers. Topic is absolute value. That we are going to see some examples in practice set 2.5. I am sharing a PPT. Welcome to all of you in SBI School Jalna. I am Mr. Khire Yasri. Today we are going to learn Standard 9 subject Maths 1 chapter number 2 real numbers. In that the topic is absolute value. We will see practice set 2.5. Let's see. Question number 1. Find the value. That first example is mod of 15 minus 2. This is symbol of mod. These two lines. First line and last line indicates that this is the symbol of mod. Like this. This is the symbol of mod. In between this, we can write any number, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. This is symbol of mod, modulus. In short, it is called mod or absolute value of any number. Okay. Now we'll see example number 1. 15 minus 2. Mod of 15 minus 2 or modulus of 15 minus 2. You know 15 minus 2 is 13. Means mod of 13. And mod of 13 is only 13. Okay. Positive value changes, does not change, or it will become positive 13. If there is negative 13 in mod, if mod of minus 13 is there, then also it will become positive 13 or plus 13. Similarly, next example, mod of 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Mod of minus 5. Now, mod of minus 5 is absolute value of minus 5 is equal to 5. Negative sign is removed. Okay. After mod is removed. Got it? Means answer always the absolute value of any number is positive. Third example, mod of 7 into mod of minus 4. Mod of 7 means only 7 into mod of minus 4 is plus 4. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Got it? This absolute value is always positive. Got it? We'll see question number 2. Solve. In that first example is mod of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Second is mod of 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Third, mod of 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. Fourth, mod of 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. We will see solution of first example. First example is 3x. Mod of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. If we remove mod, symbol of mod from LHS, LHS means left hand side, then RHS value will become positive or negative, plus minus 1. Okay, if we remove mod, symbol of this mod from LHS, then RHS will become positive or negative 1, plus minus, like this. Therefore, here we remove mod, symbol of mod. And 3x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 1. Now 3x is equal to plus minus 1. This minus 5 goes to RHS side, it will become plus 5. Therefore, 3x is equal to now 5 plus 1, or 3x is equal to 5 minus 1. Two possibilities are there. One is positive, one is negative 1. Therefore, 5 plus 1 or 5 minus 1 is there. Therefore, 3x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6, or 3x is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6 into 3 goes to RHS side, it will become upon 3 divided by 3, and 6 upon 3, or x is equal to 4 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 to the 6 divided by 3, and x is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 and 3 are not divisible by any other number. Therefore, the solution for this is x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 4 upon 3. Understood? Okay. Second example. We'll see second example. Second example is mod of 7 minus x is equal to 5. Modulus or absolute value of 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Now, if we remove this absolute sign or modulus sign, then RHS side will become positive or negative, plus minus 5. Means 7 minus 2x is equal to plus or minus 5. Minus 2x as it is, this 7 goes to RHS side, it will become minus 7 plus minus 5 as it. Therefore, minus 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 5, or minus 2x is equal to minus 7 minus 5. Therefore, minus 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 5 means minus 2, or minus 2x is equal to minus 7 minus 5 means minus 12. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2, or x is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 2. Dividing by 2, 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Therefore, we get the answer or solution as x equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. This is the solution of second example. Got it? Now we'll see third example. Example number 3 is modulus of 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. Remove symbol of modulus, then we will get RHS side as plus or minus. Therefore, 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to plus or minus 5. Because we remove this mod, symbol of mod. 8 minus x is equal to plus or minus 5. This upon 2 goes to RHS side, it will become into 2. Means plus or minus 5 into 2. Now 8 minus x is equal to plus or minus 5 to the 10, plus minus 10. Now we have to find out the value of x. Therefore, minus x is equal to 8 goes to RHS side, it will become minus 8 plus minus 10. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 8 plus 10, or minus x is equal to minus 8 minus 10. One time plus 10, one time minus 10. Values are there, plus or minus 10. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 8 plus 10 becomes 2. Or minus x is equal to minus 8 and minus 10 becomes minus 18. And therefore, the solution for this example is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18. The answer of third example. Understood? Now we will see last fourth example. is mod of 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Remove mod symbol. Therefore, we get 5 plus x upon 4 as it is equal to plus minus 5. Now, x upon 4 is equal to plus or minus 5. This 5 goes to RHS side, it will become minus 5. Therefore, x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5, or x upon 4 is equal to minus 5 minus 5. Means x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. X upon 4 is equal to minus 5 becomes minus 10. Addition of both the numbers. If signs are same, then add the numbers. And give sign of bigger number to the answer. Now x is equal to this upon 4 goes to RHS side, it will become into 4. X is equal to 0 into 4, or x is equal to minus 10 into 4. Then we will get x is equal to 0, 0, 4 the 0, and minus 10, 4 the minus 40. And therefore, the solution for this example is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 40. 10 the 40, 0, 4 the 4. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 40. These are the two values of for x. Got it, all of you? This is called absolute value or modulus value. The symbol of mod. We remove mod from one side, then other side becomes positive or negative or plus minus. Got it? Absolute value. If it is prepared by me, it's Mr. Kire Sandeep Chandra. I'm an assistant teacher at Saraswati Bhuvan High School. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Shikshan Mitra, like and share my videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining my class. Thank you very much.